Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cognifit brain training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Cognifit is a brain training app designed to help users improve cognitive skills like memory, focus, attention, processing speed, and problem solving. It uses science-based exercises and personalized training programs to target specific cognitive functions. Cognifit is available on both iOS and Android and can also be used through its web platform for more detailed assessments. The app's main feature is its cognitive assessment system, which evaluates your strengths and weaknesses and then creates a tailored training plan. It includes games and exercises backed by cognitive research, tracks your mental performance over time, and provides detailed insights into areas like reaction time, short-term memory, concentration, and coordination. Some users also use it for aging-related brain fitness or recovery support. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its scientific approach, clear progress reports, and wide variety of mental training activities. The personalized routines help users stay consistent, and the app is often praised for helping with focus, mental sharpness, and daily cognitive strength. The interface is also accessible and easy to follow. However, there are some drawbacks. Many advanced assessments and full training programs require a subscription, which may be expensive for some users. A few users also mention repetitive exercises over time or feeling that the results vary based on effort rather than actual cognitive change. Additionally, while the app is research-based, meaningful cognitive improvement depends on consistency and real-world practice. In summary, the Cognifit app may be worth using if you want structured, science-based cognitive training, detailed brain assessments, and long-term progress tracking. However, if you're looking for a free, casual brain game app or don't want to commit to a subscription, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.